Welcome back, my dear friends. I am Pankotkat here. Once again, I came with a new video on how to create a website using Neovim. So today, in today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can use HTML, CSS, and Java on Neovim, and you can create or customize your uh, preferable website for whatever purpose you want to create your website. So I'm going to show you step by step how you can create your website. So let's see. Okay, so now I'm going to first give an overview of one of the website I was created for my that business basically, and the whole website I am creating or created using Neovim, and I use HTML, CSS, and Java. So this is a basic structure right now I'm showing, and then later, step by step, I am going to show you how you can customize your website using Neovim. So this is one of the website I created for for my dad business basically, which is furniture.com. And the main purpose of this website to sell furniture. Okay, so there is a logo. I'm going to show you how you can use it, and also I saw in which location from this website someone can buy the product, or in which location from this website able to sell or deliver. There is a search bar, and this website is in English. So this is basically a customized website, as it is still on the public or host, local host. I am going to show you also in future how one can make this local host to the to make it in the public domain. There is an option to log in and sign in, to create your account or listed yourself into the account. There is also to return something, or you can see your order. And whenever you choose some product, that will be stored in the cart. And there is a menu bar here where you can, there is some option to choose some menu, which is I will show in details later. And then also some of the deals of the day, customer service registration, gift voucher, contact, and all these things. Now here I am, so this is the main page where you can see, I can change all these images here. I can move. There are a few images. I can go previous or next. So this is basically looks like a authentic website experience. And then I added some of the very basic information uh, about the product which we are going to sell. Is basically one of the wooden bed. One can buy it from here. You can click here and to see the more details of the different products available. And also I added here some of this very authentic design which one can use, and you can see you can just scroll them and you can see all the availability. So this is also one of the very good feature. You can make it using Neovim. And also one of hero product of our shop is about the bookshelf. So this is a very basic structure. I'm going to show you how you can create using Neovim. So let's see how it's worked using Neovim and what is the prerequisite to do this one. Okay, let me go back. Okay. So here, this is one of the HTML file I'm going to show, and you can see this everything is written written on HTML in Neovim, right? So first thing, this is a very basic structure of the Neovim, and one thing how we can see that live view. So for that, you have to install one called Livestream, and to do that, so this is called live server. And for that, you have to install this live server using npm minus the live server. So, and this will basically take 1 or 2 minutes. It will be install your live server, and whenever you want to see your website, you can just type. So you can here I can, and you can see the live view of your website. Okay, now let's me go back to our Neovim. Okay, so like here, I've defined a doc type where basically I just keep the title of this website using title, and I can just show you one thing. Suppose I want to make a small changes here, like I want to add one class. Okay, so you can see that right one. So you can see all the possible suggestion and support is provided by this new view. Okay, and suppose I want to choose this one. So not this one. I want to create one class, so I can choose this one. Okay, and I have to provide some name of the class. Let's give the name like, okay, customer support. Customer support. Okay, and then I can provide some more information here. Like I want to add some image, right? So you can see whatever the information is there. Okay, and then I want to add some image. I can see, okay, with all the information is there. And whatever the image, suppose in this directory I have some image, like take sofa.jpg. I have this image here, and I want to give some height. So yeah, so I can give the height whatever I want. So this will be a value. Okay, equals to, let's take 30. And also I have to add alt. So you can see what is the alt mean is attribute to define the alternative text description of the image. So it provide all the possible information you want. Okay, I can see. So if needed, you can use it, but I don't want it in this way. But I want to create the image here, and alt equals. Okay, so your image will be add. And if you want to write some text, like the same way, you can just simply write it here, whatever you want. Okay, so and there is one other option is text.cs. This basically create all the style. Okay, like I have one, I can show you on HTML. Okay, let me just let's take this class navigation. So this is a class navigation country, and if I go to the CSS, so there is one navigation country dot nav country. This is basically display as a flex. Also, you can align your item on end, margin left, font size, colors, and all. And also, I use Java. I'm going to discuss everything step by step. So in this video, is just an overview to show you that it's possible to create your website using Neovim. And I'm going to discuss step by step all this fundamental stuff I'm showing right now. So stay tuned and see you in the next video to discuss each and every one. And then I'm going to give you an live on hand experience how you can create your website with 100% efficiency using Neovim. So till then, stay tuned and goodbye.